Keeping connected to your home and family is so important. Honeywell's new LYNX Touch can help. Crystal clear video is right on your touchscreen, tablet, or smartphone, so you're always in touch, no matter where you are. And with Honeywell Total Connect remote services, you can view live video or receive video clips from anywhere. Honeywell has been protecting homes and families for generations all over the world. And LYNX Touch even works in 4 languages to handle any family's needs.
Ready to go?
It also allows you to control other things, whether you are at home or at work, like arming your security system, turning down the heat, and turning off the lights, even closing a garage door after a long day. Honeywell's award-winning LYNX Touch and Total Connect, keeping you connected to what's important.